Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I was able to draw this brows. If this video helps you in any way, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. So the first thing I did was to brush my brows so that it actually gives me a nice and definite shape, and then I went in with my Davis black pencil. So many persons do not actually like to use black pencil. I really do not like it so much, but I discovered that it actually gives me this sleek and nice brows, so I use them quite a lot. And then if you're going to be using a black pencil, you just have to make sure that you're not making harsh lines or stroke with your black pencil. You just have to make light thin lines and strokes so that the brows don't come out artificial, so that they don't look artificial at all. So right now, this is the latest way of drawing brows with strokes in front of your brows. I'm just going to make strokes, just thin strokes in front of my brow. When doing this, you just have to make sure that your pencil is well sharpened and it's pointed, so that it gives you thin strokes. If it's not, then it will give you very harsh strokes. I am also going to go in with my classic concealer. I'm going to be using a shade that is almost close to that of my skin tone. I'm just going to go in with it underneath my brow. This video is just to show you guys that even without carving your brow, you can still achieve something really nice. If you discovered at the beginning of my video, my brow was not carved, but I still was able to come up with something still good. So that's just the aim of this video. And then for the top of my brow, I went in with a darker shade. I don't know, right now my camera is really showing two same shades, but seriously, the shade I used on top was a dark shade. And after doing that, you have to make sure that you blend properly so that your face does not look harsh. Just blend properly. In makeup, it's very important that you blend. You really want everything to just look same and not abnormal, so you really just have to make sure that you blend. So I'm just going to be doing the same thing I did with the other side of my brow on this side. What you basically have to know is that the two brows might not really look the same, but you just have to make sure that they look similar. You just have to make sure that they look similar. So you when drawing your brows, you have to put this, you really have to know this. Okay guys, so at this point I'm just trying to blend and make sure that everything stays properly, that the brows look alike. You really do not have to kill yourself, but just make sure that they look alike. I love you guys so much. If this video helped you in any way, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share, and please don't fail to turn on your notification button so that each time I post, you definitely be the first to know. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.